So this is my new and improved Pochade box made out of walnut and maple panels, and it just mounts to the bottom of a tripod like most Pochades do. And the difference between my other one that I did a video on and this one is I can raise and lower this bottom piece. There's a channel for magnets to run inside. You can see right here. Round magnets run inside those channels. Maybe this is one end here. There we go. And so now I can raise that up and control the height of the panel. So this is an idea I got from Alaprima Pochade. Ben Haggett makes awesome Pochade boxes. I bought one of them a few years ago, or several years ago now, I guess. And it utilizes this constant force spring, which are really hard to find. So if anyone knows where to get those, let me know in the comments, because I was only able to order them once on Amazon and I can't seem to get them anymore. This part goes in there. Put your brushes here, mix here, paint there. Now I just got to use it.